Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how we can connect the front and the back side of the sweater. The knitting pattern I have used here, I already posted a video on. So these are the two front and back sides I have made. Now we have to join them from the wrong side. So we will put the right side inside and wrong side on the outside like this. I have used a couple of needles here for the easier knitting. So you can see here I have taken 3 needles here. 2 I have already weaved in the stitches, and I'm joining the thread here for the third one. There are different ways to join the stitches for the shoulder. I am following with this knitting needle style. You can do it with the tapestry needle, or even with the crochet needle you can join the two parts. You can follow the way you like. This way might look a little complicated, but trust me, at the end you will be amazed with the results. For our beginners, I have shown this method in a little slower version here so that they can follow along with me. I will follow the same steps for this shoulder entirely, and I will show you how to finish this. Here I am at the end of this connecting two shoulders. I'm almost done, and I will show you how it looks on the right side as well. We will slip off this last stitch and we will make a knot here. I will stitch other shoulder by following same steps. You can follow them as well. I will also connect the sides of front and back till the armhole, and I will show you how it looks. Here I am almost at the end of the sewing sides of the front and back part. I will quickly show you how I follow the stitching with the tapestry needles. Always use a very small part of the stitches to sew them. That will give you a better look. Here I am at the end of the sewing part. I will make a knot here and I will show you how it looks from the right side. And this is how I usually weave in the ends for the better look and safety. We'll be posting a part by part tutorial for knitting sweater as asked by a few of our subscribers. This video is about connecting front and back part of sweater and weaving in. I hope this video helps you in your knitting journey. If you liked it, then consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. You can see how clean the look is. We cannot find out where did exactly we sewed the sides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Happy knitting.